Yeah, we are sanitizing the area with Darbash Foxy in collaboration with them. We are using a tablet called NADCC, sodium dichloroisonurate, which is very good disinfectant, used as a sprayer, which can be used for spraying in the locality to disinfect the areas. The product is from Ahmedabad, called from Bacta-Free 1000. It can be mixed in 8 liters of water and can be sprayed in and around the areas where you want to disinfect it. It's a good product. It has been tested by the government of India. It has been approved by government of India. It is already being used by BSF. Ningrims are using it, and it should be used by all the localities. And we are doing it in the locality wise. Per day we are doing it, and today we are doing Poxe. We also have schedule for Bada Bazar, Molanghat, Laban already we have done it. So we are doing it every day.
How many localities you have done it?
Since last 7 to 10 days we are doing it every day. My vehicle is only for that purpose now. My people are working as per the headman's request. We are going on that locality. We have gone to Smith area, Laban we have done it. We are doing it in Lashamia. Police Bazaar has been done. Auckland has been done.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ri ka jongi haka ri hik parthei barok away de ngi don ka jing sokya na kam ta ki nong chek snong ki pai no snong jong ka ri khasi jantia ka jongi bat ka jala ka jongi bat hak ne ka por na ka liang jong ka snong pokse ngi le tri lang bat ka health station bat ka dor ba snong na ka manta bagin spray na bagin sanitize ki ni ki jaka paj ba bangila ban pelaj ya ki paj ba ki jaka ki kham tam ki ba ki alom ki priu haki dong haki snong ki ba khambun ba uniu knyang jepang unum sepret hakane kari ka jongi dingi angu ya ublei hado melong menta hakane ka stiet ka jongi hakane kari ka si ki jongi uniu knyang jepang umpaton do menta de nam ta kane ngasngau mangi kerpat ya paro ki para rong snong jong ka than ba kari ka jongi mangin ya duai mangin pelaj nang uniu knyang jepang bau balayat basar hakeleng jokari bakai
Makana sengi kita sedang kan ya?
kene kade kasin ke menukong bagi sedang mata
Sedang tak sengi.
oh kasin ke menukong tingin ayai beteng ngin wis kemat te ka competition ka dobra snong ngili rai ba ngin ayai beteng ye kan ye ban santai ya ke snong